Hi, Jeff Jones with 208 Premier Real Estate. I'm here to show you a sneak peek of a new listing coming on the market here in Horseshoe Bend. The views are amazing. Let's go ahead and check it out. It's a full custom log home, and it's not just the logs that are on the outside, but it's solid log construction by Shepherd Log Homes. Let's take a look inside. We've got a restroom right when we come in, and a nice subway flooring, pine, natural real wood floor all throughout. And then you've got the pine paneling ceiling, large skin logs here, really solid construction. And you can see here at the craftsmanship, you've got 8-inch thick beams here, solid wood all the way around. That gives you a lot of helps with your air conditioning bill. So solid logs all the way around. Nice pine paneling, vaulted ceilings. And the best part is these views of Horseshoe Bend. So you have the French doors with your large deck here. Unobstructed views. The property line goes out to that fence down to the river there. So no one will be building around you. 1.37 acres. The sun was just setting. So here's the Horseshoe Bend. You can see people down there on the river playing by that bridge. Horseshoe Bend Hill. Boise is 45 minutes that way. Eagle's about half an hour away. Garden Valley is about 30 minutes up this way. Here you can really see how the construction of this home is with these solid logs. To try to rebuild this house would be cost prohibitive with the cost of lumber at this point. This is hundreds of thousands of dollars of logs, and got a nice deck here. This is facing north, so you have extra shade in this area in the evening. Downtown Horseshoe Bend is about 1 minute away, and there's your closest neighbor over there. You've got a private drive coming up here. And let's take a look at the rest of the house. Beautiful windows on the back here with the eaves that come out about 6 feet to give you a little extra protection from the elements. And then here we've got the kitchen. And large garage with a vaulted ceiling here. And you've got the woodworking throughout. The entire home like that. Solid construction built by Shepherd Log Homes, one of the premium builders here in Idaho, based out of Riggins, Idaho. And this home is actually the former home of the current Horseshoe Bend mayor. So kind of a celebrity home for sale. Someone is going to be very lucky to move into this home. This is beautiful, and lots of glass there as you come up the stairs, and just really tall ceilings. So this would be your primary bedroom. Opens up to your nice view. And that's actually the east over there, so the sun would be coming in these windows in the morning and setting back behind the house over by Emmett in the evening. And then Garden Valley is about 30 minutes that way, and McCall is an hour from here in Cascade. So, but you're in downtown Boise in 45 minutes. So nice window here, large jetted tub. So that's all that is upstairs. It's separate from the other bedrooms in the basement, which is a daylight walkout basement. I just love these wood floors. They could use some repolishing and staining. And then you've got these pine wood steps. I love it. It reminds me of my grandpa's cabin in Island Park. So you've got this walkout door down here, large game room, and the property line goes down to the water there, and there's actually the famous Horseshoe Bend that comes around. So amazing views, and the sun just went down as a little bit better a few minutes ago. Sorry I didn't catch it a little bit earlier. I was doing a 3D tour, which I'll post below this video. So, large game room. You can put pool table here or entertainment center. You've got a coat closet in here. This is your utility room. You've got your central furnace here, water heater, and then washer dryer hookups here with electric, air vent, central heat. This home is actually on city services. Even though it's set off by itself, it does have city sewer and water and power, so no near neighbors. You've got a dual sink bathroom down here so people can get ready, and separate door for the toilet area. And then you've got two rooms side by side. These rooms are fairly long. I'd say probably about 12 or 14 feet long. Kind of narrow, but nice view of Horseshoe Bend from here. And a little closet. And then another room, also about 14 feet long. So, thanks for going on the tour with me. This house will be coming on the market mid to late July, so stay tuned, and I'll share the MLS details and more photos below. See ya, bye.